What are we doing today, Corey?
Sea trial day.
What
31 Bertram.
What was that?
39 and a half.
39 and a half. What are we doing today, Frank?
Oh, sea trial.
Bertram 31, the Patriot.
I want to hit 40 knots.
Well, we're gonna have the boat fully loaded with people, huh?
Alright, that's the idea. If you want to load it down.
Okay, here it is, 31-foot Bertram flybridge with twin Cummins QSB 5.9 380 horsepower.
Go ahead, Corey.
Okay, I'm gonna start the port engine.
Okay.
Man, you can barely hear them from up here.
Yeah.
They're nice and smooth, man.
Yeah.
What we got on the gauges up here?
Just make sure you got good oil pressure, good coolant temp, good voltage. Got them synced up. Right now they're revving the same.
Yep. So tell me a little bit about this boat. How long have you been working on it?
This is about 18 months in the workings. Basically a complete restoration from the ground up.
What did it look like when they brought it to you?
It looked like a 30-year-old 31 Bertram.
Got any pictures?
Probably.
Maybe we should put some pictures in this.
It's basically a brand new boat from the ground up.
It looks like a brand new boat from the ground up. And we're operating this boat as a fly bridge only.
That's right, fly bridge only.
So if it's raining,
No controls in the cabin. Well, hopefully eventually it's going to have a hard top here.
Right.
Right, and with this queen and everything in the front here. Let's roll.
Alright, Gils. Good luck.
Does the anchor work? Yes. I reline this one. Okay.
what's our cruising speed? Are we in idle still?
At a full idle, we're about 6.5 miles an hour.
Okay.
Level? Yeah.
Setting the level.
You want it below the combing, at least an inch, if not two. We'll see what that is. That way when it sloshes, the water goes underneath the combing.
How fast?
13.5.
Coming into our own wake here. How fast are we going?
22. He's gonna check his package right now.
Warm is good. Warm is okay.
Warm. That was 22 miles an hour.
Cold. This one's cold. That one's warm.
We jumped on plane at 1800.
Oh, jeez.
Woo!
Hey, 36.
39 and a half.
My kids feel like the rocket ship.
It does. That's faster than I usually drive my Seaboard. So you're tightening that one?
.9.5, that's it. That's what she's got.
It's like
9.66.
It's like the speed of light. You can get really close, but you can't quite hit it.
No way to get there.
So how would you call that?
I would say that was a successful sea trial. We hit just about 40 knots, or 40 miles per hour, more accurately. And the engine performed well. Nice, beautiful day. And you can't get much better than that.
Both seem to handle the swell really well too.
Boat handled great. All in all, success.
Success, success, success. What do you say, Frank? You need a drink? Frank needs a drink. Frank, what was the most challenging part about building this boat?
Everything.
Neil says he doesn't need bumpers.
No pressure. He's done it before. He knows what he's doing by now. That's what the fenders are for.
Was there one up on the bow or no?
We're gonna sacrifice our lives to save the boat. That's how you dock a boat.
That's true.
Isn't that right, Tony?
Yeah.
We sacrifice our life. Legs.
You got 2 legs. You can give one up.
Right, we can give one up.
Like a glove.
Impressed.
Boy's good.
Impressed.
He's got skill.
Man, look at that.
He's got skill.
Jeez.
Skill to pay the bills.
That's right.